Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Bluetooth audio not working issue. So to solve this issue, first of all, open Control Center and turn on Bluetooth. And after turning on Bluetooth, go back to your home screen and here open Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and open Apps. Now in Apps, click on this filter icon and here turn on Show System Apps. After that, scroll down and here open Bluetooth. Now go to the storage of Bluetooth and in here clear the storage data and cache memory of Bluetooth. Now go back and open General Management. And in General Management, scroll down and click on Reset. Now in Reset, scroll down and click on Reset Network Settings. And then again click on Reset Settings to confirm.